Fans of the Rio Olympics may have spotted dark red or purple circles on some athletes' bodies, including on the comely frame of swimmer Michael Phelps. The marks are actually the result of cupping, an ancient Chinese healing therapy, which uses suction cups to help reduce soreness and speed up the healing of overworked muscles. In the first affiliated hospital of Guangxi University of Chinese Traditional Medicine, Xu Shengyong, a therapist, uses cups to help a patient who suffers from neck and shoulder pain.
I am using the bleeding cupping method. First, I make tiny cuts on several areas where the patient is feeling pain to drain the blood. Unhealthy blood does not circulate properly. I control the amount of bleeding during the process.
Cups are then placed over the tiny incisions to suck up the blood. The nurse places a piece of smouldering cotton wool inside the cup as the heat helps to create the suction. The suction lasts just a couple of minutes.
不痛。
你现在感觉到皮肤就是放罐子的这几个地方紧不紧？有没有压力？
对，那肯定是有压力的，肯定是往里面收。
你能够感觉到它的出血吗？
感觉不到。
Sue said that other parts of Chen's body did not need to be drained of unhealthy blood, so the cups were placed directly onto the skin just to create suction, and then the skin is pulled slightly up and away from the underlying muscles. After the cupping therapy is finished, the suction pressure is relieved and the tiny cuts are disinfected. The therapist explained that the colour of the marks left on the body can reflect the patient's health condition.
I feel quite relaxed after the therapy, especially my muscles.